So this is a test footage because it's raining right now. So I bought the Aqua Shield from BlackBox. It's supposed to protect from the rain. So we'll find out. Alright, we're entering the freeway, rainy day. Don't know if the Aqua Shield is working unless I use the wiper. This will be the last footage. Just checking my Aqua Shield. Yeah, I think it doesn't work because there's still too much water accumulating on the shield. Unless the wiper blows it out. Wipe it out, I mean. Right now the rain is pouring, so testing the Aqua Shield. I think the wiper is helping a lot, but without the wiper I don't know if the Aqua Shield will still have a clear view. Alright, this will be my last footage then. About the rear view. Let's make the wiper work at the rear view. Alright. Oh man. Yeah, I guess without the wiper, it's not gonna have a clear view. Seems like the same thing.